Jai Srimanarayana. 16th sloka of 12th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Anapekshaha Suchirdakshaha Udasino Gatavyadhaha Sarvarambha परित्यागी यो मद्भक्तः स मे प्रियः। ओम। If you want to become dear to Sri Krishna Paramatma, keep on practicing to get attracted only by divine things but not by mundane things. Keep on nourishing yourself by giving sanctified food. And keep on getting expertised in performing Vedic activities. And always be uninterested in performing the activities which are not performed by our elders. And whatever it is coming on your way while performing Vedic activities, be unaffected. If you do all these, definitely you will become more dear to Sri Krishna Paramatma. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally, do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Krishna Paramatma saying that, O Krishna, O Sriman Narayana, I want to become more dear to you, for which I shall keep on practicing to get attracted only by divine things but not by mundane things. O Krishna, O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on nourishing myself by giving sanctified food. O Krishna, O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on learning to perform Vedic activities perfectly. O Krishna, O Sriman Narayana, I shall always be uninterested in performing activities which are not carried out by our elders. O Krishna, O Sriman Narayana, I shall try to be unaffected by any of the pleasure or pain, success or failure in the process of performing Vedic enjoined activities. O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, I shall obey your orders. Please guide me to act according to your heart. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः. नमस्कारं टू श्रीसुखयोगीन्द्र. यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवोऽभिनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. नमस्कारं टू नरनारायण चतुर्मुख ब्रह्मा सरस्वती देवी व्यास महर्षि. नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयम् उदीरयेत्. In Srimad Bhagavatam 7th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Narada Maharshi teaching Prahlada's story to Dharmaraju, saying that, O Dharmaja, Prahlada is praying Sri Narasimha Swami like this. O Narasimha Swami, I am not scared of seeing your dreadful form, but I am really scared of this cycle of birth and death. Hey Bhagavan, to get rid of this cycle of birth and death, I realize that only one means, that is to surrender to you. Hey Bhagavan, when are you going to take me to your divine feet? Bhuman Brahmami vadame tavadasya yogam. Only being in your seva is the only means to get rid of this cycle of birth and death. I realize that. When are you going to give me a chance of serving you? When are you going to give me the seva opportunity to me? O Narasimha Deva, if I do seva to your devotees, Paramabhaktas, Paramahamsas, then I will be able to praise you. I will be able to sing the glory of you by the power of seva that I do to your devotees. So when are you going to put me in the seva of enlightened people and your devotees? O Narasimha Swami, I realize that once you decide not to bless anyone, then even parents cannot protect that child. And if there are any diseases, none of the medicines can protect that child. And if that child is drowning in the ocean, none of the boats can protect that child. That means, if you decide not to protect, not to save, not to bless anyone, there is nothing in this entire universe going to protect them. I realize that. Hey Bhagavan, in this entire universe, top to bottom, from Chaturmukha Brahma to a small ant, everyone is under the influence of three gunas, Sattvagunam, Rajogunam, Tamogunam. And all the things, all the entities in this entire universe, entire Srishti is under your control. All the things in this entire universe is in you. All the things in this entire universe are existing because of you. All the things in this entire universe belongs to you, belongs to you. All the things that in this entire universe is only for you. All the things in this entire universe is you. You are everything. Bhagavan, there is nothing in this universe, in this creation, that you are not pervaded inside of that entity. Bhagavan, such is your supremacy. Only to surrender you, only surrendering to you is only the means to cross the ocean of this samsaram. Like that, Prahlada is praising and praying Sri Narasimha Swami. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Marasetravo Vinihataha Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 12th chapter 16th श्लोक अनपेक्षः शुचिर्दक्षः उदासीनो गतव्यधः सर्वारम्भपरित्यागी यो मद्भक्तः स मे प्रियः। अनपेक्षः शुचिर्दक्षः उदासीनो गतव्यधः सर्वारम्भपरित्यागी यो मद्भक्तः स मे प्रियः। श्रीमन्नारायण करिष्ये वचनं तव। सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु। जय श्रीमन्नारायण।